Africa, welcome to my YouTube page entitled English for Africa with Zenebe. I'm right directly coming to you from Ethiopia, the heart of Africa. So today we are going to say something about my channel, and I'm going to say something about firstly who am I? You may ask these questions. Secondly, what my channel is about, and lastly, your expectations. So I'm going to say something of these pointers. So just give me your time. As my first video, let me firstly introduce myself. My name is Zenebe, and I have been a journalist. I'm currently a university lecturer, an English language trainer, editor, and a writer. So it means we are on a safe hands. So for the last 14 years, I've been in two professions that I love most, and I have taken this current time to do something for my African fellows. So if you say what's your channel is about, my channel is about educational channel. I'm going to teach you English for every person who wish to improve his English language. So I've created this channel, as I've said, during this pandemic, coronavirus pandemic, when humanity suffers, especially we Africans as a whole are suffering much than the others because we don't have the capacity of economy or anything else except what I've said is except the economy part. So the rest is with us. We know many people who can come to change Africa. So let me say something about what I've said earlier. Most Africans, you know that 75% of Africans use Facebook in the whole world, if you believe it or not. Sometimes when you use technology for different purpose, it makes the whole continent miserable. So I support technology, but in the right direction. So when we use technology for the positive purpose, it is like this. Use it for education, for medicine. You can use it for different kinds of purposes. So I choose this technology to reach you right directly in your home. So you are staying at your home, there is no school, there is nothing. So you can even reach schools, you, through this channel. So this is my purpose, my goal as a teacher, as a trainer. I love my students, so I want to give you something, so together we can make a difference. We are Africans, we are leaders, we are the cradle of mankind, so you're gonna get everything from us. Lastly, allow me to answer your biggest question. So you may say, what can we expect from your channel? So that's the right question, I think. I'm going to focus on four parts. So the platform is combined with four levels. The first level is for kids, English for African kids. Second, English for beginners. The third one, English for university students. Lastly, English for teachers. So let me say something one by one. Level 1. Level 1 is English for kids. This one is for starters or absolute beginners who wish to improve their English language, or maybe if they are starters, they can get the basic English language skills. Parents may help them, or even they can download the movies, the videos, and then they can teach themselves. It's interactive, the best way that I can use. I love kids, and I can give you the best thing that you can learn their language. So we're gonna focus on phonics, alphabets, pronunciation, reading, writing, and also how we can form words. These are the pointers that are going to be covered under this level. Second, English for beginners. So this level is designed for elementary students, maybe either for absolute beginners who want to expand their knowledge, or for elementary school students who want to develop their language. So we're gonna focus on introducing the basic skills like grammar, complex sentence structure, forming sentences, writing sentence, reading, pronunciation, and speaking will take the most part, of course, because I want to develop your communicative power. That's why I'm going to focus. Let me go to level 3. So level 3 is English for university students. I am been teaching English in 2 universities in Ethiopia. first starting in European calendar or Gregorian calendar. I've started that in 2013, I think. So before almost 12 years. I started in Arma University in the eastern part of Ethiopia. Then I'm now in the northern part of Ethiopia in Waldia University. I'm teaching. Let me say something about university students. I hope most university students failed because they don't have the right skill of academic English. So the focus of this level is providing you with academic English language that you need at most to be successful in your academic area at the university. So it might be for university students who are currently enrolled or going to be enrolled in university. It might be for graduates even. So we're going to focus on basic academic English skills that you need to survive in the campus. So it's going to build your personal skills. It's going to build your major language skills that you need to be successful in the future too. So this course introduces with the basic academic English skills that you need most. So allow me to give you the best shots. You're gonna see it soon. Last, English for teachers. We teachers in Africa, mostly we use, sometimes, I don't know, some guys say we have to use our own language, some others say no way. Different languages are there, so we have to use English as a medium of instruction. Anyways, for those of you in different countries in Africa who use English as a medium of instruction, this course is designed for you. And it's about classroom English. Classroom English is designed to give you words, phrases, expressions that you need to use English in the classroom. So you're gonna do two things. Firstly, you don't need to be an English teacher to teach your students about the importance of the English language as a medium of communication all over the world. Even they can learn from other subject teachers. Once you are confident in using the English language, you are going to be role model for your students. So I'm going to show you how you can do that in this course we are going to take. So it's not about only classroom English. More complex ideas are going to be included too. The first one is maybe classroom management, questioning, how you can question your students in the classroom, what kind of language you can use to do that, oral presentation skills. Most of communication happens in the classroom between the students and the teachers. So why you are going to do that? How you deliver your lessons in English language with simple and easy language. That's going to be the focus of this course too, and more is going to come. So before we go to different kinds of videos in these 4 levels, I want to say something for today as an introductory session. So I hope so far you have learned something about my channel, but if you have anything unclear, anything that you want me to add into my lessons, just suggest me something. Just write your comments below and I'll be happy to give you what you need. Before we get our lesson, so I'm going to give you an assignment, or I need an expectation from you. That expectation is watching my videos is not enough. So you need something. As an experienced teacher, for the last 14 years in my teaching, I love my students, especially those who are active and super passionate. I love them a lot. Even when I get into class, I mostly even interact with the dormant ones, but I love all of my students, but especially super passionate and active students. So I need you to be that kind of student. You need to be super passionate. So I'm going to give you in 4 words what I need to expect from you. Firstly, I need from you commitment. I call them CCPPP. Commitment, confidence, persistence, practice. So let me say one by one why I need CCPP from you. Commitment. Anyone who wishes to learn a new language, not only English, any African language, endemic, indigenous language, who want to develop. If you want, for instance, we do have more than 86 languages in Ethiopia and Nigeria. If you go, there are more than 300, I think like that, 300 languages. If you want to learn one, you need to be committed. Any job in the whole world needs commitment. So I need you to be committed to develop your English language, so that's how you can develop it. Second, you need to be confident. Once you are committed, you do things, then you are confident enough. So be confident. Third, persistency. Don't say, I've tried 1,000 times and it's not my fail. Don't say that. It's not too late even to develop your language. So be persistent in what you do. Failing is good. Unless you fail, how can you learn? Because people say that falling to plan is falling to fail. Anyways, lastly, I need you to practice. Practice, practice, practice. Practice makes you perfect. Because unless you practice, how are you going to change your course of learning? How you can develop it? That is too much important for you. These 4 things are the ingredients that I need from you. So I've designed all the courses with an African culture, with African flavor, because I have a philosophy in myself. If you want to learn a new language, you don't need to learn the culture of that country at the same times. Having your own culture, even you can develop that language. So I'm going to give you the best African culture through this. It's designed that way so that you can easily understand the language. Learning language is about communication. You don't need to be like native speakers of the English language. So using an African culture and the flavors will give you the best shot that you need to be perfect, accurate, and the fluent speaker of the language. That's what I'm going to do. So I would like you to thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share my videos, which are going to come soon. Lastly, just don't miss my videos. So many interactive videos are going to come. This Friday I'm going to start, and through time you are going to get the best things in your life. Thanks for watching. I'll be seeing you soon, and bye for now. Bye Africa. Bye.